Are you going to blame someone else for your failures? No. You failed because of you. You failed because you didn't try hard enough. You didn't push yourself when it was hard. You gave up when it got uncomfortable. And now you want someone to blame? Blame yourself. Because here's the truth. If others can do it, so can you. You are not less than anyone. You're not cursed. You're not doomed. You just didn't do what needed to be done. You had the same 24 hours. You had the same chance, but you chose comfort. You chose procrastination. You chose the easy way out. You want to change your life? Then change you. Get disciplined. Get obsessed. Forget motivation. That fades. Build discipline. That stays. Don't say I can't, say I will, and then do it. Every single day. You're not losing because the world is unfair. You're losing because you're soft. You're distracted. You want results without the grind. But that's not how this works. Winners don't wait for the perfect time. They create it, they show up when they're tired, they push when it hurts, they outwork the excuses. So today, stop scrolling, stop complaining, stop blaming, stand up, look in the mirror and say it. I'm not done, I'm not broken, I'm not giving up. Because the only one stopping you is you. Now get up and prove yourself.